Welcome to Tanzu on VMware vSphere with CloudControl integration.
CloudControl allows you to import onboard your private registry into CloudControl. CloudControl will have only read access to that registry, and it uses it as a way for you to create image deployment policies that can be tailored so you only allow images to be deployed from your private registry, for instance. Or if you want to control what images on the private registry can be deployed, you can also create policies for that. One of the great features about CloudControl is it keeps a database of vulnerabilities of image containers. So when you onboard your private registry, CloudControl will analyze all the images in the registry and tell you what type of vulnerabilities are associated with each one of them. This is a great feature because now you can create a deployment control policy that's based on number of vulnerabilities on an image. So I'm going to show you how to import a private registry into CloudControl, and then we will use that for our image deployment policies when we create them. So you're going to go to the Home tab, you're going to click on Inventory, and then you're going to click on Image Registries. There you're going to click on the Actions button and then say Add Registry. I'm going to give the name here. The description. I'll give the IP or the FQTN of the server. Give the port. And then my authorization can be basic. OAuth, I'm going to use basic. Give my password. So this is going to go in, start talking to the registry and pulling all the inventory from the registry into CloudControl. Now that the operation of adding the registry inventory has completed, we can click Continue. Takes us to our registry page where you can see all the images on the inventory. Okay, so all the images are here. And what's going to happen is, see the column vulnerabilities. CloudControl is going to start looking at how many vulnerabilities each image here has. So it is in the process of doing that right now. Okay. You can click on an image to find out its details. And you can see here that it has the vulnerability section, and there is the container section also, what containers are used in the image. So let's give some time, and I'll show you the vulnerabilities once it finishes accessing each image and finding that out. And you can see that is starting to happen here. And I'm going to click on this one while the other ones are being assessed. I'm going to click on this one to show you what kind of information you see here. So if you see here, OJW HTTPD, there are 69, 12 low, and 57 negligible, and there are 101 unknown. If you click here, it's going to display all the vulnerabilities. And if you want to get information on one of these, you can just click on it, and it's going to tell you what the vulnerability is. So with that information in hand, now we can create policies, image deployment policies, where we can say, for instance, I will not allow any image to be deployed if it has a vulnerability. Or you can do a threshold that has 10 low vulnerabilities. Things like that. You start getting a lot more control on your security policy as far as what type of images can be deployed. Well, we got to the end of this presentation. Feel free to check out our documentation site for the integration guide. We create an integration guide for this, which goes into details on what we have talked here. I hope you enjoyed and have a great day. Thanks for watching.